This is David for EasyRepair. Are you ready to take your business to new heights? Look no further than EasyRepair, the ultimate software solution specifically designed to keep auto body shops ahead of the tech curve and help them maximize profitability. As a vendor who works closely with elite collision centers, our team recognized numerous challenges in the office procedures and operations of these facilities. It soon became apparent that these issues were just the tip of the iceberg when it came to the problems faced by these shops. In response, we dedicated significant time and resources to developing the EasyRepair software, specifically designed to support our partner centers. Through extensive field testing and valuable input from some of the most prestigious collision centers in America, we refined our program to its current state. The EasyRepair success has led to the implementation of innovative and effective processes, ultimately enhancing overall performance. Why choose EasyRepair? It's an affordable and complete solution. EasyRepair is designed to be an all-in-one, cost-effective solution that addresses the diverse needs of automotive repair businesses, from large-scale operations to mom-and-pop shops. Comprehensive customer data and details. With EasyRepair, you'll have access to extensive data on your shop's performance and customer interactions, enabling you to make informed decisions and tailor your services to meet your clients' needs. It's future-proof. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, EasyRepair keeps pace with the latest trends and technologies, ensuring your business remains competitive and up-to-date. It fills gaps in operations. Developed from hands-on experience in a variety of shop sizes, EasyRepair identifies and addresses gaps in collision office procedures and operations, streamlining processes and creating new, positive results. It creates new relationship opportunities. Offering our software to your customers allows you to form new relationships and become more than just the paint jobber. You can grow your business and become involved at a different level. It allows you to build rapport and stand out from the crowd. Offer your clients something new and exciting that sets you apart from the competition. With EasyRepair, you're providing a cutting-edge solution that helps build their business. It includes a white label option. The white labeling option for EasyRepair eliminates the need to develop a software solution from scratch. You can quickly introduce a proven product that saves time and resources. Providing customers with an additional, valuable tool enhances overall value and satisfaction. It allows you to increase your retention rate. EasyRepair is meticulously designed to seamlessly integrate into an auto body shop's website and daily operations, resulting in an extremely high retention rate. Our software becomes an indispensable tool for shops as they experience the benefits of streamlined processes, improved customer communication, and enhanced overall efficiency. Once a shop starts using EasyRepair, they become reliant on it for their day-to-day operations, making it an invaluable asset for driving success and growth in the ever-competitive collision repair industry. EasyRepair revolutionizes the way collision repair shops operate, providing a comprehensive, innovative, and cutting-edge software solution that empowers auto body shops to achieve greater success in a competitive market. As we continue to innovate and evolve, we remain committed to providing unparalleled value to our clients. Thank you for considering EasyRepair, and we look forward to partnering with you on the road to success.